Right then guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 2023 and we're kicking it off with a bang. We've got this Toyota GR86 brand new from the dealership in at the studio for Xpel Ultimate Fusion Full Car PPF. So this has come directly to us straight after the PDI stages, which is why you might see that the wheels have still got some of the packaging on, as well as the stickers and chalk markings on the windows. So what we need to do, as always, is get the car decontaminated outside and then we can pull it inside, getting ready to apply the Xpel PPF. Well then, so as I mentioned in the intro, this car has come directly to us straight after the PDI. So as you can see, still got some of the stickers here just to protect some of the paintwork when it was being imported. The wheels still got the wheel covers on, and then also the doors have still got these plastic protectors on. So as I mentioned, let's get all of this removed and then we can start the decontamination. So then guys, I'm just going to quickly interrupt this video to let you know about a few things we've got going on. So first up, if you haven't entered our 2,000 subscriber giveaway yet, go ahead and enter now. It's our biggest giveaway yet and we're giving you the chance to win our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. As well as that, we have started a new YouTube channel called The Detail Academy, where we're going to show you the tips and tricks of the detailing industry. The first video is now live and it features the Urban Automotive alloy wheels. So we've showed you how to clean and ceramic coat them. So go check that out in the link in the description. Finally, we're also looking for some new members of staff. So if you do have an interest in detailing or valeting, go ahead, drop us an email at contact@newlookdetailing or give us a call and we can talk you through the job role. So now that I've bored you, let's go ahead and get back on with the video. So then guys, even though this GR86 was only delivered to the customer a week or so ago, we can tell this has been in the UK for actually quite a while due to the amount of contamination that is on the paintwork. So what we've done, we've had to go ahead and machine polish some of the certain areas on the car and then heavily clay bar the rest of it. So now that's done, it's ready for us to go ahead and start applying the Xpel PPF. Right then guys, so that's every single painted surface now protected on this Toyota GR86. As you can see, it's looking fantastic. So what we need to do now, go ahead, coat the wheels, and then we can put them back on the car, and then we'll show you the finished result. So then guys, as you've just seen, that's this Toyota GR86 now complete at the studio after having Xpel Ultimate Fusion Full Car PPF. This is the ultimate level of protection available for your car, so if you're interested in getting your car protected, get in touch now and we can talk you through the different options available, whether that be ceramic coatings or PPF. Thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.